This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need your Apple ID, two-factor on, and an app-specific password ready. Open your Android Mail app now and choose Add Account, pick Other or a map. Enter your full iCloud email address as the username, then paste the app-specific password when prompted. Use a map. Mail, me, COM for incoming and SMTP. Mail, me, COM for outgoing. Once done, set incoming port to 993 with SSL and outgoing to 587 with startles. These secure settings keep your mail synced and private. Now fine-tune the AMAP connection so mail flows reliably. In account settings, confirm incoming server AMAP. Mail, me, COM with port 993 and SSL, make sure the username is the full iCloud address. For outgoing, use SMTP. Mail, me, COM on port 587 with startles and authentication enabled using the same app password. Next, adjust sync frequency and folder mappings so sent and trash use the server folders. Once these are saved, force a manual sync to verify every finish by sending a test message and checking that incoming mail appears in the correct folders. If sending fails, recreate the app-specific password in your Apple ID security panel and re-enter it. Many issues come from expired or mistyped passwords. Make sure your device's date/time are correct because two-factor tokens depend on it. If folders don't match, remap sent and trash to server folders and resync. One quick tip: toggle SSL and reapply ports if connection errors persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.